Welcome. Round of applause. Welcome. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, hello and good afternoon, everybody. Yes, we would like to talk about flexibilization of intra-company material transport this afternoon. My name is Joachim. I'm working in this business now since 7 years. And we have an expert with us who can tell us more about what is it all about. Hello, Matthias.
Thanks. Also welcome from my side. Thanks, Joachim. I'm fine. What about you?
Fine. Last week we had a customer meeting, or we have several customers meeting in the past, and they were all complaining about the upcoming challenges of digitalization. So they have problems with industrialized production. They have challenges with digital disruption. They have the globalization which they have to deal with. And finally, they have growing and upcoming problems with environment, health, safety. So a lot of things bringing their pains and problems into their market. What is your observation about that?
Well, these are exact the questions we talk about with our customers in many of meetings. So maybe have you asked your customer about using HEVs or AMRs for the manual operated transport?
Yeah, we need to see our customers, which we are talking about. They have a lot of different material to transport. Exactly these challenges in the localization, the lack of employees, etc. They have a lot of material transport, and they have a lot of different material to transport. So they need tucker trains, they have pallets to transport, they have manual transport, whatever. So do you think that HEVs will be a solution for these types of different material transports?
Yes, definitely, I think so. Because we have SIMOVE, and SIMOVE consists of different solutions. And first of all, it's one system to automate different type of HGVs. Because as you mentioned, in intra-plant logistic environments, you need different types of automated transports. So your customer at the end will end up that he needs to purchase HGVs from different vendors.
Okay.
But if they use the SIMOVE approach and assign exactly the SIMOVE automation to each vehicle, then they have the freedom to choose the best mechanical design, but also have the same automation design, and this will definitely reduce maintenance cost.
So what you say is that we can automate different types of HGVs of different vendors. We can we can optimize according to the material, to the mechanical needs, but still have the same automation technology inside. So
exactly.
Finally, at the end, it reduces complexity in my automation. It simplifies automation. It simplifies handling. And that's really a big advantage. So that's a real a cool feature which Siemens is providing here.
Yeah.
How many HGV vendors are actually working with these systems or with this system?
Well, lots of HGV vendors already use Siemens and the SIMATIC hardware components in their HGVs. Many additionally applied the SIMOVE software components to control their HGVs and also use our technology to do the IT/OT connectivity. Well, the community is steadily growing, and for each type of HGV, we will find a vendor.
Cool. So now I have the freedom to choose out of whatever pallet or HGV manufacturer I need. I can optimize the different types of material transport. And now I have all these HGVs in my factory. Maybe I can control them manually. But how do I synchronize a whole fleet of HEVs from different vendors, from different manufacturers?
Well, you're totally right, because the more HEVs you have and the more vendors you have, you definitely need a centralized system to control them all. Because it's like in real life, you need a central system to optimize the throughput, to utilize the traffic lanes, react in case of breakdown, and all the other benefits.
Okay, so SIMOVE is providing with the fleet manager a system which can handle and optimize transport orders. Transport orders to transport material from one position to another, or to do some production steps or whatever.
Exactly. The SIMOVE Fleet Manager is the offering from Siemens to do exactly that. So control all HEVs inside your factory, but not only control them, also to connect all machines which are used together with the HEVs. Also, you can connect plant system, alarming system, for example, like fire alarms. You can connect elevator doors. At the end, all you have in your plant to automate it.
So a real platform, to integrate all my data, and finally, if I have all these data in my system, I can also send them upward to the IT world. I can connect to cloud or whatever for predictive maintenance, AI, and doing all these additional things.
Exactly, because the fleet management system consists of a modular software architecture. So it provides different modules for several tasks. Standardized interface to northbound to the MES system, and southbound to the vehicle and the machines, provide the possibility to really implement nearly each and every application. Inside the fleet management system, we have sophisticated algorithm for dispatching and routing. So, for example, dispatching really ensures the optimal capacity of your fleet. And also defines that only the needed HEV are really in operation.
So that utilizes or harmonizes the utilization of my HEV fleet, saves energy, and it also, let's say, reduces costs because it increases my lifetime.
Exactly, yes.
So we have the right transport on the right HEV, and now we have to send them through the factory. And maybe some of you have encountered this morning a huge traffic jam because of this strike of our Deutsche Bundesbahn. So what about the organization of the traffic inside the factory? Because I think that's also important. Nobody wants to waste time in a traffic jam.
Exactly. This is a very important topic for the fleet management system, because as you mentioned, nobody wanted to waste time in a traffic jam. And you also do not want to waste HEV capacity within your factory. Therefore, we also implemented a powerful routing algorithm inside the fleet management system, which controls the routes between the loading and the unloading positions of the HEVs according to the MES system. Because too early is not good, but also too late is not good.
Exactly. So, what did we learn, or what did we see? We see automation of HEV, so automation of things or of machines which transport my material. So we have a standardized solution to automate these machines. We have open modular architecture as well as in the machines, as well as the fleet management system. We have a future-proof solution. As you said, it's a modular software, so we can exchange modules, we can implement new modules, we can enhance their functionality, we can adapt them to new technologies like AI. And we also have the possibility to simply extend our application when my factory is growing. Because this is a very, very usual thing that factories are getting more and more dynamic and they are getting more and more rebuilt or refactored or, let's say, restructured.
Yeah. And that's not all. Because SIMOVE, we also integrated simulation capabilities. We integrated digital twin functionality. We have IT/OT connectivity. We have edge. We have AI for predicted maintenance and many more. Our teams are working and improving the software step by step and also keep the system updated. And what is also very important, we provide a sophisticated service and support worldwide. And that makes the manufacturers and our integrators make it really easy to adapt our system and to integrate it within their application.
Wow, that's really a great offering from Siemens. From OT up to IT and maybe going up to AI. So I think there will be a lot of questions of the audience. Can we meet the experts here on the fair?
Yes, of course, our experts are here on the fair. You can find them on booth 431. It's up there where the HEVs are driving around and putting together, I think it's coffee cups.
It's a coffee cup production, I heard, yeah?
Great. So feel free to come there, meet the experts, discuss about possibilities, how you can use SIMOVE within your application.
Yeah, thanks a lot for joining. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of the fair. Come, have a safe trip home. Whoever needs a lift or whatever, I think you all have a possibility to come home. So thanks a lot for joining this presentation.
Thanks a lot also from my side.